Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install WordPress theme manually. So if you are facing any issues installing WordPress theme from your WordPress dashboard, then this video is for you. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our WordPress theme that we have purchased from Theme Forest, and now we are going to install this theme manually through the cPanel. So let's see how we can do it. So at first we are going to download our theme from here. So we are going to click on download and then click on all files and documentations. And as you can see that our theme is now downloaded to our computer. So this is our WordPress website dashboard, and now if I click on appearance and then themes, and here you can see that there are only three themes: Hello Elementor, 2025 and 2023. And now we are going to install our theme manually through the cPanel. I am using Hostinger hosting for my WordPress website, so I am going to log into my Hostinger Cpanel. No worries if you are using any other web hosting, just go to your web hosting official website. Let's say if you are using Bluehost, then go to bluehost.com and then from the top just click on login. Enter your username and then password and then click on login. So in this way you will be redirected to your Bluehost account, and from there you can easily access your cPanel. So now we will go back to our Hostinger account, and here we will see an option for the hosting, and under it we will see our web hosting, and next to it we will see a manage button. So we are going to click on this manage button, and here we will see an option for the file manager, or from the left menu we can click on files and then click on file manager. And now if you want to access all the files that are available on your web hosting, then you can go with the second option. But if you want to access the files of a specific website, then you can select it from here. So we are going to install this theme on this website. So we are going to select this option. And now from here we are going to select public_HTML. This is same for all the web hostings. And then we will click on WP-content and then themes from here. So now if I go to my WordPress website dashboard, and here you will see three themes, and here you will also see three themes: Hello Elementor, 2025 and 2023. So now we are going to upload our zip file. So now we will go to our PC and extract the files that we have downloaded from the Theme Forest. So this is our theme that we have downloaded from Theme Forest. So we are going to right click on it and then click on Window and then click on extract to this folder. So this is our theme folder. So we are going to open it. And here we will see three folders: uploads, licensing and documentation. So we are going to click on uploads, and this is our theme that we are going to upload. So we will go back to our Hostinger account, and now from the top we are going to click on upload and then select file from here. So we are going to open this folder that we have extracted. So now we are going to open the uploads folder and then select the theme and then click on open. So as you can see that our theme is now uploaded to Hostinger. So here it is. So now we are going to extract this theme. So we are going to select the file, then right click on it and then click on extract from here. So now we are going to create a new folder. So we are going to name it new theme and then click on extract. So here is our folder new theme. We are going to double click on it and here we will see our theme. So now we are going to select this theme, right click on it and then click on move. And here you can see that our path is now wp-content/theme/new theme. So we are going to change it to /themes. So we are going to double click on this folder, and as you can see that our path is now changed. And now we are going to click on move from here. And as you can see that our theme is now moved to the main folder. So here it is. So now we will go back to our WordPress website dashboard and then refresh it. And here we will see the theme that we have just uploaded through the cPanel. So here it is. So now to activate our theme, we are going to click on activate. As you can see that our theme is now installed and activated, and now we are going to use our purchase code to activate this theme. So we are going to click on activate license from here, and now we will go to our computer where we have extracted these theme files. And here we will see the folder for the licensing. Now we will go back to our Envato account and download the license for this theme. So here is our theme. Next to it, we are going to click on this download button. And after that, we are going to select license certificate and purchase code. So we are going to select this text format from here and then click on download. And as you can see that it is now downloaded to our computer. So now we are going to open it from here. So this is our theme purchase code. So we are going to copy it from here. Then we'll go back to our WordPress website dashboard and then paste it here and then click on activate license. And in this way our theme license will be activated on our domain. So this is how you can install WordPress theme manually. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.